work a charger which can charge the battery as well. So when you fix the battery, it can last for a very long time. I will show you how this Kickstarter work. Let's just fix wire here. To construct a charger, you need a diode like this. So this diode continuity, then you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to work on replacing the battery and also how to construct charger, because often you can be changing your battery and it keep killing the generator keep killing the battery. So we are going to work a charger which can charge the battery as well. So when you fix the battery, it can last for a very long time. So we are going to change this generator battery, do the charger, and also I will show you how this Kickstarter work. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell and also comment and share. In case you want to gift us, you can use the thanks button to gift us any amount you wish to. So for us to first start this, I'm going to show you how this Kickstarter work. Okay, so this is the kick. This is the solenoid switch. Solenoid switch. So first, to test this Kickstarter to know if it is okay. So this is the way to test it. You can see the solenoid switch here. This is where you fix one wire. Let's just do it. So you lose the solenoid switch. You can just tight one wire on the solenoid switch. Let's just fix wire here. Then you tight it with the knot. So you tight it. So when you tight it, you can see the wire here. You can see it. Then this will go to the positive of the battery. This will go to the positive. Then you have to place the negative to aid the body of this kick. You just see. So this is the positive of the battery. This is the positive. You can see this is the negative. Then you just place this wire on this positive and touch it anywhere. See it, it's working. So that's how to test your kick. If to test if it is good. If it is not good, it might be from this solenoid switch. When you change it, it will start working. So now let's go on fixing the battery. Let's just lose this this battery is dead already. So we have to remove this battery out of this. To lose the battery now. Let's just test the battery. You can see the battery is dead already. So let's test uh, if the kick is okay. Okay, you can see it's so it's good now. It's good. Okay. So again, to know if the battery is charging, while the generator is still on, you you will use when one wire is on the battery, then you use another wire. Let me say the negative will be touching on the battery. If it is sparking while the generator is on, if the battery is sparking, that will show that the battery is charging. But if it's not sparking, that will show that the battery is not charging, the charger is not working. So this charging, this charger is very important because this will keep damaging the battery. You keep damaging, you keep changing battery almost every week, 2 weeks, because the battery is not charging. So to construct a charger, you have to lose the dashboard. Let's just lose it. Manager. So now this key is not good. Come closer. So it's not offing with the key. You can see it. The keys, the one wire I have removed from the key. So now to construct a charger, you need a diode like this. So this diode. Once you bring a diode like this, then what you're using in this diode is the positive and the negative. So you have to cut these two out. You have to cut it out. Then from this starter side, there is starting coil. This is the starting coil wire. From the starting coil wire, this is the starting coil. Then you have to let's just do it practical so that you understand it. Let me quickly cut this. Though this charger of this generator is working, but I'm going to construct it for you so that you see how to do it. Okay. So you bring a wire. First, let's confirm if this diode is good. Let's confirm if diode is good. Let me bring a multimeter. So when you bring your multimeter, you turn on to continuity. Okay, continuity, then diode. Let's check if this diode is good. So this is the positive of the diode. This is the negative. Let's put it. Okay, you can see it. The positive, I put it on the negative. It will not read. You can see it will not read till I put it on the positive. Let me put positive here. Then you can see it's reading. That shows that it is good. If it is positive is reading with negative, that means that the diode have flashed and it will not work. So once the diode is okay, you have to cut out these two lead. Okay, so let's quickly cut it. Okay, so now we have the positive and the negative. We have the positive and the negative. Now, to connect this, you have to connect a wire to the positive like this. Remember to tape your wire, tape it very well. Once you connect it like this, then you have to, this have to go to the starting coil from this starter band side. So let me remove this dashboard so that you see it clear. Okay, so this is the starting coil. This is the starting coil. Let's just do it this way. Give me plier. Okay, so once you put it, so this is the diode. You put it on this starting coil. Put it this way. Remember to tape your wire well. So once it's like this, then you have to connect another wire to this solenoid. This one have to go with the solenoid switch. Then you tap another wire. Help me with wire. When you join the one on this starting coil, then you bring two wire like this. You join it together. Then tie it on the second side. So this one will go to this solenoid. You can see where the positive of the battery terminal will be. This will, you will tight it here. Then this one will go to the key. Which side will it go to this key? You can see when you bring key, you see this blue wire. So this is where this second one will go. To go this way, one will go to this solenoid positive battery terminal. Okay, so this is how it will be, and your charger will be working well. It will be charging battery. Well. Your battery will not die again. Your battery will last for a very long time. Remember to tape the wire so that it will not touch. So this is how to construct a charger.
Okay, please pay attention to this play. You can see this fuse, you can see that up. Okay, just use it to mark it. Then if you turn it, you can see that place, that hole that is blue. You can see any different wire there. You can see that brown there, or you can see any color there, but that's the place you're going to put the wire that come from the diode, the charger that come from the diode. Okay, that's the place, that is where the wire will bridge. You can see any color there, but that is the hole where the charger will be. Okay, that it just use it to mark that up will be, and that is the hole where you insert the wire. So you can just where you fix this, you can make it to join together. Okay,
so this generator have its own charger. See the charger here. Okay, so this is the diode. This is another type of diode. So, but you can also use this type of diode. This diode, you can see it. So this diode now, this wire go to this starting coil. You can see the wire here. You can see it. Let me draw this one. You can see it. You can see this diode wire now. One from this diode. go to this solenoid. Let me draw this one so that you see it. You can see it is brown. You can see it. So this one have to go to the starting coil. You put it, cover it. Then you can see the second diode wire. It go to this blue. You can see this blue wire. It come out here. Now it bridge one here. It bridge here. This white wire. This is where it come out here and go to the positive terminal of the battery, the solenoid. So, and that is the charger. So that's how to construct a charger. Okay, that's how to construct a charger. So let's quickly change the battery now. Let's quickly put a battery and fix it. Then we are going to change this key also because this key is bad. So let's just remove this one. Okay, let's put a new key. So this is new key. You have to just insert it. So key is not hard to change. So when you put your key, you use it this way, then tight it to the dashboard. See it. So you can just see a hook here. This hook will go to this place. It will hook here. Yeah. So it will hook the. It will not shake. It will not rotate. So use this cover now to cover it. Okay. That's it. So you now put your key to the switching. So you're good to go. So let's just tight it, then couple it back. Hope you learn how to fix this charger, how to construct a charger in your generator. So this is how to do it. It is very easy, it's not hard. Then let's just cover this. Let's put it back. This is so the key is working now. Just- So this is a brand new wire. I'm going to install it here. Then we are going to test it to know if it is working. Give me the carton. Give me the carton. Give me that bolt wey dey inside the carton. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. So this is the positive, this is the negative terminal. So we are going to place it this way. So let me quickly tight it. Then the negative. So now let's test it. So you can see it's working perfectly now. Okay, let's check if the battery is charging. So let's just lose one here, and then we are going to, when we start the gen, we are going to spark it on the battery to know if it is charging. Lose it. It's alright. So let's start the gen now. We are going, when we start it, we are going to be touching it on the body of the battery. Once it is sparking, that shows that the battery is charging. Okay, let's start it now. Please slow down. Okay, notice the light will be tiny, it will be sparking tiny.
The light will be tiny, but if the battery charger is not working, it won't spark any at all. So let's fix the battery back, then test the gen again. This place is another important place. You need to be careful. You need to cover that positive terminal so that it won't touch on the body of the generator to avoid explode. So maybe you hear a generator catch fire. That's because the positive terminal is touching to the body. So the negative can touch, but don't let the positive be touching the body of the generator. You can see how it's being covered. Okay, and you can see sleeves that is being attached to it so that it won't touch the body, because when it's touching, it can spark light and it can cause the explode. It can make the generator to explode, and it can burn. So we have to tie the battery well, and it's good to go. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, use the thanks button if you want to gift us. The thanks button is below the comment section. Okay, so we are good to go. So let's test it with a bulb now and see. So you can see there is light in the generator now. So the generator is good to go. It can be used now freely. Okay, so as you can see, the generator is dirty. We are trying to give it a new look. So we are going to wash the generator, do the necessary service on the generator to make it look clean. Okay,
dirty, you want
yes,
to
as
clean
we do
it.
this, yeah. So there is some things that break on the generator. The generator is making noise, and there are some part of the generator that breaks. So we're going to wet it and wash the generator for it to look clean and good. Let's go.
The engine sitting is bad. The engine settings are bad. So the gen will be making noise while it's working. So we're going to wash it, then assemble everything back. We're going to do some welding. Okay, you can see this place, this side brake. So we're going to weld it. We're going to weld it this way. And we are going to.
Everybody, containment.
Okay. Let me carry the gen over.
Yes. Got it.
All right, so this is the gen. We have fully finished all the service, as you can see. So now let's test it. Let's start it and test it. Okay. So let me put the jet back. Then let me start it. One hand. Okay. So you can patronize us. We give you a good quality service. Okay, don't forget to follow us on all social media handle. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Subscribe.